Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing the mesh file directly into Fusion 360. Choose the correct units and orientation so the part fits your assembly. Once imported, switch to the mesh workspace and run the repair tools to correct holes, flipped normals, or non-manifold edges. This prevents downstream failures. You should reduce unnecessary faces with Decimate if the mesh is dense, because a lighter mesh converts faster. Make sure to save a copy before conversion to preserve the raw scan. Once the mesh is cleaned, evaluate face count and convert to be rep only when manageable. Fusion struggles with extremely dense meshes. You convert using mesh to be rep and then simplify or remesh selectively so critical geometry remains. Next, refine the topology with patch and sculpt tools to recreate smooth surfaces and consistent edge loops because CAD operations need clean topology. If you hit limits, export smaller sections or remesh externally and re-import. This streamlines sketching and feature creation afterward. To finish, convert repaired topology into solid bodies and apply standard modeling features. Extrude, fillet, shell, as needed, because solids give you parametric control. Validate critical dimensions with measure and section analysis, and run interference checks for assemblies to ensure fit. If operations fail or features behave oddly, make sure the mesh has no tiny islands or reversed normals. If problems persist, decimate the mesh, remesh at a lower resolution, or repair externally then re-import. This targeted troubleshooting saves time and preserves design intent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.